Life in Republic Polytechnic begins with the freshness of the morning breeze. Interactive and digital media allow students to undergo a thorough education that consists of concepts, processes, and technologies used in the industry. Students will have a first-hand experience with the latest equipments and tools such as SLRs, 2D and 3D modeling and animation software, high-definition video cameras, game development tools, and many others. They will be exposed to content creation and editing applications. Throughout the program, students will be encouraged to develop their own digital media portfolio to widen their future career opportunities. Problem-based learning or PBL uses problems as triggers for learning. It has its roots in various fields, where students have to deal with real cases, diagnose problems, conduct research, and propose solutions. In the PBL setting, the responsibility of learning belongs largely to learners, with teachers taking on a role as a facilitator rather than an instructor to guide students' learning processes. To further enhance this unique setting, students will be distributed into groups to test their effectiveness in working with a team. Given the privilege to work with industry-standard software applications, students will be introduced to processes, tools such as typography and page layout, for digital print production in graphic design and photography. The sequence of events that turn raw images into its finished product and having to produce their very own masterpiece at the end of the day. In this particular field, students will be well exposed to the world of three-dimensional computer graphics and animation, starting with basic concepts of 3D computer graphics as well as modeling tools and techniques. Apart from creating 3D rendered images, students will also learn basic 3D animation techniques, adapting with them with similar software used in the corporate land without any restriction to self-experimentation.
The idea of media concept definitely interests me, as I've seen many different great aspiring examples of great multimedia figures. The skills that I've been equipped through this course is definitely being reflected upon my work. One of it is Python programming. I've never thought that I would be interested in programming, but this is what I've done so far.
From my experience, I find that IDM offers various programs that allow us students to increase our knowledge of Photoshop skills, advertising skills, and learning of the basic of creating our own website. We also got to handle equipment such as DSLR camera and video camera. What I'm currently doing now, taking photographs and making full use of the equipment that is provided by RP to actually enhance my skills.
At first, I thought that I'm not able to use these programs that are part in the working environment, but it proves me wrong. So in a way, it's a selling point that technologies being used in IDM allow us to experience how media industry works. For example, this AV program that I'm using for my FYP is also being used in MediaCorp. Throughout the semester, the portfolio that I've developed will serve as evidence to prospective employers of our artistic and technical abilities.
I never thought that IDM could bring me this far. At least now I know that I am on the same par with my fellow competitors. I can simply handpick the career that I want to. Without any doubt, I can be a digital media designer, computer animators, game developers, web application developers, audiovisual editors, or even a technology specialist within the digital media production studios. If not, I could even proceed further in my study, as IDM is designed to meet requirements for advanced standing in local and overseas institutions of higher learning. I'm very thankful that IDM has equipped me well in professional skills.